Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be guiding you through handling this extra activity for your statistic course. So, an overview of this course, this activity. So, for activity one, you need to create a site, a student portfolio, the statistic two, and you have to provide a relevant description for the course. So, in this, you can basically include this random variables or two random variables, then this joint probability, marginal probability, conditional probability, this random variables with more than two variables. These things you can explain for this activity one. In activity two, you need to create a data set, collect data set with 100 rows and 5 columns. It is not mentioned that you should use new data set, so you can use your data set from statistic one this extra activity also. However, keep in mind that use the data set that you use should be keep it very simple because this is the extra activity one. Suppose in future if we get extra activity two, extra activity three, in that they ask you to compute this joint probability, marginal probability. If you have a very complex data set, it will be very hard for you to uh, complete those extra activities. So keep it very simple. So this regarding this extra activity too, this thing was started 1 year back. This previous batch, so there most of the students use their student mail ID. But in our batch, what happened was we were not given a student mail ID. So many of the students, including me, we started on our registered mail ID. So this is my registered mail ID. So we started over here. So this is my Google site over here. This is my Google site, and now I want to migrate this site on this student mail ID. So this is how we can do so that we don't have to create this Google site again and again. Again, for the new site, it will be a very hectic task. So what we can do over here is you go over here. There is this share icon. You click on it, then you will basically have to just paste it your this student mail ID. You can just copy it from here. You can paste it over here and provide this editor option. Just provide this editor option and then just send it. Now you can check over here is that there is a transfer ownership option. Now you click on it, it will not allow you to do this. Say, sorry, you cannot transfer the ownership of to this because the reason is Google is restricting this email ID. The student mail ID is, it is a part of a group that is hosted by IIT Madras. So due to security reasons, IIT this Google is restricting this feature. No worries, we can have some other way. So if you go to your student mail ID, here you will see your Google site is visible over here. So what we can do over here is we click on the three dot this and let it load properly. Here it is a option to make a copy. Just click on it. You have to copy the entire site over here. So just copy it. So this copy is available now, right now. Now you can see the copy of your previous site has been created. So this is the copy. This is your this new. This is your older one. This is your new one. You can delete this old one. Now this is your site. It is on your student mail ID. You can just change the name. You can just keep the name as this, the way you want, whatever is your name. You can put it over there. So this is the my this is my Google site that is now on my student mail ID. This is my statistics activity one. I've explained everything. And for my statistic activity two, let me explain this also. I'm going to use this Call of Duty, this weapons data set. I have found it on Kaggle. Okay, let me show you where I got this. Okay, this is the uh, website. This Kaggle. You can download it from here. This mobile weapon stats. This stat basically contains 103 rows only. So this is the perfect thing that we need for our this activity. So you can download it from here. You can use it also. Uh, so okay, let me go on my student mails. Now here I want to embed. I want to show you that how you can embed this Google Sheet over here. So basically, you see there is an insert option over here. There is a page option over here. So there is a theme option over here. So we are not interested in this page and themes. We are interested in this insert option. Now scroll a little bit down. You will find this sheet option over here. So make sure the sheet, this Google Sheet, is linked with your this student mail ID only. Okay. So I have created this sheet, and this sheet is on my Google. There's a student mail ID that is provided by IIT Madras. And in this sheet also, you will have to provide the share option. By default, you will see this share with IIT Madras. You just have to share the folder with IIT Madras only. No other. Don't have to make it public. And once you have done over there, you can just it will be visible by default over here. You just click on it. There the insert option will come. You can just embed this or okay, so it is over here. It's just a little bit of customization over here. And here you go. So it is ready. My website is ready. So this is it. So if you want to publish over here, so mm, you just see you go to publish over here, and here you this is the like what you want to put it as your name of the website's portfolio. I don't know what was my name on the earlier website. So let me check it one. So I will copy this web name only. I will put it over here. Yes, students. Okay. So I will this here I will share it with IIT Madras. Restrict. Don't restrict it. Share it with IIT Madras. Done. That's it. Publish it. Now, what this will do is this will give access to only those students who are studying in IIT Madras and not anyone. So what you can do is you can just do your older site. You can make it this. There is a this public option over this publisher setting over there. There's you go to your older site, you can just restrict these things so that others don't have access. You can just remove the access of your student mail ID, whatever you do. So, but make sure that the Excel sheets that you have embedded in this one, don't delete it. I will not suggest you to delete that because like this one, these things are photographs and all. Because if you want to delete it, I think it will get deleted from here also. Because just a minute, if you delete it from there, it might happen that the portfolio that you have created, these type of things, it might get deleted from here also, so it will not look very good. So if you are deleting from any of the file that you have stored for the previous extra activity, I will suggest you to make a copy of it and you store it on your student mail ID also. Or else I think these things will not be visible. Okay, so this was it for this extra activity. There is nothing much. So thank you for watching the video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.